Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We got ourselves a pineapple peeler. Alright, so that's what that is. Looks like it's supposed to just slice the pineapple in little pieces, as you can see right there. So here is the other side. Alright, so this looks like the knife part. Yeah, Marcus, watch out. Make sure this thing doesn't cut you, bro. And a handle. Is there anything else? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is it. Just a knife part. And it looks like it has teeth here. Seem to be kind of sharp. Here's the knife. Also seems sharp a little bit. More teeth on the side. And that's it. So I'm guessing the handle just goes right on top. And there's like little clickers there that can click in. Just like that. And now we're ready to chop a pineapple. Are you ready to chop a pineapple?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so if you love pineapples like we do, you know, you don't love cutting them because, you know, chopping them up like this all the time and getting the middle out kind of is time consuming, yeah? Takes forever, so we're kind of excited to use this tool. This is actually a Hawaiian pineapple, so we're lucky to have these at the stores anytime, so they're really good. They're golden pineapples, so. Alright guys, so we are going to just push this thing in there. Center, it looks a little small, honestly, for the whole pineapple. Like it's smaller size a little bit. But I don't know, maybe that's good, but that's probably good right there. So we got it pretty centered, guys. So now apparently all you do is just kind of push on it and twist it. And it's cutting out the pineapple. It's going down, down, down. Okay, I think we're at the bottom. Let's see. Almost. But I think we're pretty much there. I can feel that it's the bottom. So I guess now all we gotta do is just pull it right up. Supposedly. Oh man. There's like some suction going on. Alright guys, you can see. Oh, I didn't go all the way to the bottom. Should have went deeper. But look at that. It cut it out, bro.
There's juice inside.
And there's a lot of juice, yeah. Check this out, guys. The whole pineapple's right here. So I guess then you just take off the handle. And then you just drop it out. Just like that. And now you have a pineapple twirl. Whoops. Well, look at that. That's pretty cool, dude. You can totally eat this. How's it taste, bro? Yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to try to go back into the pineapple and see if we can get more out of it. Let's see if you guys can see a little better of how it's cutting in there. Hope I don't cut my hand. It's going really easy. I don't really have to try too hard, which is the cool part. Okay, I think that's the limit, because I can feel it on the bottom of my hand. Literally close. Okay, we're pulling juice out with it. Ah! There we go. Yeah, that was the end for sure. Look how deep that is, guys. It's so deep. And that's the whole pineapple. Simple as that. Oh, look at that. I cut these thinner, dude. See how these are a little thicker? So I guess depending on how hard you push, you can get them kind of thin. That's pretty awesome. Alright guys, and that's how the pineapple peeler works. So really cool little tool. So as you can see, I mean, you can get pineapple out in seconds. And Marcus is enjoying the pineapple. So pretty awesome actually. And it is made of stainless steel, so it shouldn't rust technically. So, but you know, you should rinse it off right away after you use it. And actually, looking at this thing, guys, I got a really good idea. You can actually put kind of drink in here and put a few straws in there, and you got yourself a nice little tropical bowl. Or you can even like take the center out right here and maybe put some fruits in there or something. So a really cool idea. So yeah, overall, thumbs up for this thing. And if you guys want to pick this thing up, I will leave a link in the description. And also guys, check out our other videos on this channel. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.